back to the entire community, the youths, because I sincerely believe that this is a time of Sorosoke. The youths are now in power. That we are not just saying this for saying sake. The Coronation Committee of His Royal Majesty has actually put in place certain things for the entire people of the Imeke Kingdom. Aligned with the empowerment program, we'll be discussing with corporate bodies. So this is just a foundation that will be spanning 3 years. Traditional display, visitation of women and the community by Kabi himself. It is a door-to-door visitation of the entire community. We have actually also put in place entertainment of the youth in order to use the informative and educative power of entertainment to unite the entire indigenes, the youths of Imeke Kingdom. We'll be witnessing the Onimeke marathon race on Wednesday and what have you. So it's a whole lot of program that will bring a lot of turn around to the kingdom. Please just stay with us as I hand over to His Royal Majesty for his speech before we continue the program. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you all to this royal and celebration. Year 2020 has been a great year for me. Not to be negative, it all started with coronavirus pandemic. Then the NSAS mayhem. That follow among other issues that were said. Telling me to be that. However, in all things we should be grateful to Almighty God for the gift of life. The development projects. I have facilitated development projects in the kingdom during my reign as the Ajagun of the kingdom. The has witnessed no security, with open way for people to come into the kingdom for investments. As it stands today, we have elderly home, the very first in the division, a project that is Lagos government, which is ongoing in the kingdom. The gate bridge has been completed and commissioned. The community has given land for the construction of modern secondary school to the contest secondary school. The Rome Society and Ajagun has been awarded to the state government and the work is ongoing. My greatest achievement thus far, and the rest of all, is obtaining the land title of the entire land of Imeke Kingdom. The register of land register has published the national days report and the nation on the 23rd of September 2020 this year. This is a major feat in ensuring that modern development of the Imeke Kingdom is as evident as possible. Empowerment. I have contributed my quota in respect of empowerment to the youth, widows, and the aged. And I am not relenting. I have worked in conjunction with Kemi's panel, Young Foundation. Grace made me initiative to measure the field. 2021 is going to be a great year, and I wish and hope that a prayer and do more. Security. We recently witnessed security challenges in the kingdom. However, a lot of security steps and activities were immediately put in place in conjunction with the security agencies and traditionalists to separate the nefarious activities of the anti-social groups. The most peaceful kingdom. Lagos State. 2021 project. It has become a norm and even customary for us to have a future projection for the development of a radical transformation of our great kingdom. By the special grace of God, the coming year 2021 is not going to be an exception. Our vision for the coming year is classic, as it has a common value for the growth and development of not only the Imeke Kingdom, but also for the state and country at large. Presently, Ajagun market is open for business, and I'm fully ready to make it a modern market where all goods are available. The benefits are numerous advantages to open business and create job opportunity to our people. It also adds to the aesthetic beauty to our community. As we look ahead in the coming year, 2021, let us continue to show love as usual to one another and to settle in our mindsets. Let us be law-abiding. Let us see the security issue and collective responsibility and equally strive towards participating in communal efforts aimed at enhancing modern and remarkable developing in the area. I wish you all join us to respective destinations. Thank you and God bless.
The first on my list here is a medium known as Nile Awori. And Nile Awori is being represented by Mr. Akindele Emmanuel. Next on my list is Mr. Avosesuru, Radio Lagos. The next person on my list is the veteran broadcaster. If you want to do a journey into the UK Empire and you do not take permission from this man, there is no entry into that empire. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you Mr. Kayode Adejumo for IGFM. The next on my list is Mr. Temitope Ajayi, Bond FM. And next is another brother here, a brother from another mother. Bidemi and Tony, representing Badagry Online Radio. They were from that. We have to do this systematically now. I want to hand over the microphone to today. We have representative of the chairman of Badagry Central Local Government. Baba, we want to recognize you, sir. Mr. Mustafa Dada. You are welcome to our meeting, sir. Nile Awori, Akindele O. Emmanuel.
Pẹ̀lẹ́sẹ̀ ìgbà ọdún oṣù ló máa jẹ́ pé èyí lẹ́mi ṣe ẹni fi ṣe àṣemọ́. A rí pé ní kò pẹ́ kò jìnnà wẹ́ẹ̀sẹ̀ ariwo ta gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi ẹ̀rọnú hàn. A ò lé ìjọba lè dá àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n fìyà àwọn àṣàyàn ọlọ́pàá lápẹ̀ ní SARS wọ́n fìyà jẹ mẹ̀kúnnù ló pọ̀ jù nínú ẹ̀. Kí jẹ́ ìwúlẹ̀ káyìrì sí àti pé ipa wo lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ kí ọ̀dọ́ kó bóyá lè tó tòṣèlú ni o bóyá lè tó ti àwọn ará wa lé ìlú wa ni a jẹ́ pé ìbéèrè méjì ẹ̀ lébi yìí ní láti béèrè lọ́wọ́ yìí.
We have Mr. Avosesuru. Your Royal Majesty, sir. This is your 5 years anniversary. Congratulations, Ogabi, sir. Imeke Kingdom. Sir, what and what do you still need from Lagos State government in terms of the developmental project? Thank you.
Communication PLC, the owner of AIT, Rain Power and Faji FM. I say congratulations to you, sir, as you are celebrating the 50th year anniversary on the throne of your forefather. I will pray that Almighty God will continue to prolong your lives in Jesus' name. Ètò ìṣeré ṣókí ní Yorùbá ń gbé pé Yorùbá ń wá represent ní Fàájì FM. Láti ìgbà tí Ọlọ́run ti fún sí ipò aṣíwájú, ó tún lọ di pé ẹ̀tọ́ wá di aṣáájú pátápátá ní ti ipò ọlọ́mọdé ní àti máa ń fi ọkàn bá àwọn ìṣàkóso yín lọ. Àwọn nípa ti ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò ni èmi fẹ́ béèrè kan lórí sá. Nípa ti ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò, bóò lẹ ti ń ṣe tí ó ń tùbà àtúnṣe, bóò lẹ ti ṣe fẹ́ máa ṣe sí tí ó tún máa tùbà àtúnṣe, àti kí ni àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tẹ́ tó fẹ́ gbé láti fi irú àwọn ọgbọ́n ńlá tí Ọlọ́run ọba tó fún yín.
Okòrí Adéhùn, developer Ajagun is my name. Radio Nigeria, point FM to be. My question is going to be based on human. Kabiyesi sir, you talked about Ajagun market. We know what has been happening in Lagos State. Most of our people, our petty traders, and things like that. I want you to tell us, with those markets, can our mothers, the petty traders, will be able to afford it? That's my question. Because we have seen markets that by the time you put a store at 2.5 million, it's happening. It happens at the Banana market. We knew what happened at Ikoba market. We knew what happened at Tegio show. What are you going? Is that market meant for the petty traders, the villagers, or for the bourgeoisie in the society?
My name is Ojebo Antoniola, the Executive Director of Badagry Online Radio, Nigeria. I'm going to digress a bit from what my other colleagues, my senior colleagues, have been talking about. Sir, Kabiyesi, what is your plan towards, putting together Imeke Cultural Festival? We all know the essence of festival is to bring, sons and daughters of the kingdom, both home and in the diaspora, to come together and celebrate, the heritage of the land. As well, it also promotes, invite investors, to come around for community development. Kabiyesi, mo fẹ́ kí ẹ bá wa yànnàná lórí ẹ̀.
My question, being a political correspondent, I want to delve into the politics of Badagry. It's like Badagry is, we are like in a reverse gear. So as a foremost traditional ruler of this kingdom, and Badagry local government as an entirety, what role are the traditional ruler playing with the political leaders of this state to make sure we have enough representation, especially the state executive council, so as to effect some expected change that we are not getting, that we are not seeing. Everybody knows the state of the roads, of our roads entirely, in and around Badagry, especially the Badagry Lagos Expressway. We also know it pains people living along this as they also pass through. The warrior passes, the Ukwafo local road, that work has been on for a very long time, we must say. Yeah, I want to believe it is because we do not have enough representation at the state executive council. We want you, in conjunction with other others, with other authorities, to be proactive.
The deplorable state of that road is another thing to talk about. That road is a failed road now completely in Lagos. Secondly, the youth unemployment in Badagry is another thing to talk about. What are you people doing to ensure that even all these graduates, people that have learned work are able to get something, to lay their hands on?
It's not that far. I want to commend you for having a very strong relationship with the former Commissioner of Finance, who happens to come from this area, and this road construction has started ever since then, and with his support, we are proud of this road. And fortunately, Governor Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu has, with his own goodwill, continued with a good job, and we are told that this road will be complete soonest. Sir, how soon do we expect this road to be completed? Because the people are actually asking that won't it be an abandoned project? That is number one. Number two, how well are the traditional rulers in Badagry putting effort together to ensure that the Lagos-Badagry Express Road is being put into place, because we understand, we are newsmen at the time that the traditional rulers are planning to appoint the Honorable Minister of Works, person of Mr. Babajide Olusola Babajide Raji Fashola, and after some time, we didn't know what transpired. We didn't hear any other further information as that regards. Maybe that would have been a better attempt to put this road in order. And thirdly, while you are celebrating your 5 years on the throne of your forefathers, what are your intending plans to take Imeke Kingdom?
Nígbà tí ìjọba ti yọ owó àwọn ọba kò mú ìjọba ṣíṣe ẹ̀kọ́ òkúrúmọ́ra. Nígbà tí wọ́n ti yọ owó àwọn ọba ìjọba lápẹ́, ìjọ àwọn ọba lápẹ́. Nígbà tó ti yọ owó ọba kò kò lè múrégé kì í ṣe pé a lè máa ń sọ fún wọn báwo ni ẹgbọ́ lọ́pọ̀. Buhari ṣe jẹ́ sọ lẹ́yìn lọ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀pẹ́ wọn fẹ́ yìí ló máa ń pa lẹ́yìn tí kò ti bàjẹ́ tán. Àwọn ológun yẹ ọ̀rẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lóye ogun ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ó bá bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí sí máa ní ọba ẹ̀wọ̀n ṣe máa ní ẹ̀sùn tẹ̀tẹ̀ lérò wọn fi kọ́ báyìí tó kọ́ tàbí tọ́ka. Ṣùgbọ́n a ṣì ń parí lórí tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá fi tọ́ba ṣe lọ òyìnbó. I read my speech before I said I go all around. Understand my kingdom, the state government. Many people don't understand having the title of the land. Many people don't know. If you have a title of the land, that means no government can come and take away your land anyhow. After going to court, after getting my judgment, we were not allowed to go to Lagos State government to register that solely with the state government, and graciously we were able to get our title. What it means is that if you be selling your land at 500 before, you can sell it 2 million, 3 million. That is the beauty of it. And I said it's my greatest achievement since I became the owner. Because it's so ṣàṣàrí ọmọ ní ìlú Badagry tó ṣe wẹ̀. To deal with some publish a reform calculation through regional road. Because our just sell land cheaply. Ilẹ̀ tó yẹ pé ní góòlù la owó tó ṣe ní àjà àkọ́kọ́ yẹn. The title not price alright salary and you have to make owó. So we can do the same thing here. I remember when I was in service, who I know committee now. Palace Accra, when I go back to the we saw the farmer, Palace Accra, I don't agree. All the money there. That's the way I told you when I was in school. No, don't shake me. You want to buy a mass who talk and you are the dog. You can't do it. I don't give a damn. But you better kill us to talk. Oh, she like the longer like at all. We are talking of since the deputy council. She ain't there. What of the local government that commission that is here? But there's so many people going on. The present one don't say you. What is all our banks? Who may go on see one? Show them one of them. One more, quite a represent of like one more. Can you imagine? No, I pay a reason. The way for the people down here, and my Kawa with one voice, can't that they know my daddy. How can you constitute a local government? They don't get the white indigenous one committee. That is commission. Come on, they know more a book of continuing. Àwọn sọ́jà lórí àwọn olóṣèlú aláàbàbà àwọn ọmọ náà ń lò against wa politically kárọ̀tì ló bá ti ṣùgbọ́n ó parí wọn á kó ní olóṣèlú àti wọn lọ sọ́kọ́ lọ irọ́ ńlá lọ lọ́pàá fún ọlọ́run òṣèlú láǹfààní. So as far as I'm concerned, we shall continue to talk to the government, appeal to them. We are not going to I don't want to show a lot of power. Nígbà tí ọmọ wa náà dídà sí ọjọ́ náà, wọ́n gbé gbèsè wọ́n àwọn world conference wọ́n ìlú fíjọ ṣe ní fún parí ìjọba commission kú. Ọ̀nà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe ti gbogbo báyìí tó ń dé èsì pẹ̀lú ọ̀tí ìlú kọ̀ọ̀kan dáná bá parí ọ̀nà kò ṣe ọkàn ìlú ìlú láìpẹ́ ìmẹ̀lẹ́ káwọn ọmọ ayé náà yẹn láyé lórí mú. Àwọn kan ní à ń ṣe wàhálà lórí ẹ̀. Àìsẹ́ni ayé àwọn ní secondary school àti nílẹ̀ fún Imeke ní abẹ́ ọkọ̀ secondary school because ìwúrọ̀ àyè tó àmì ẹ̀ ti wà contested and hopefully by next year mali foundation yẹn lọ́wọ́ abájílẹ̀ akọ̀wé lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì because gbàdá ọkọ̀wé lọ ọmọ ìlú ọlọ́kọ̀wé padà lọ sí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì pé o ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀gá mi afẹ́gbẹ́ kọ̀ọ̀rẹ́ wá sí ìlú kọ́mọ̀ tó lè máa kọ̀wé tó fi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀gá mi ilẹ̀ bàbá tèmi mo sọ pé o láì tó bá yẹn sìn gbogbo àwọn ọmọ nǹkan náà pẹ̀lú ìjọba because I cannot kí wọ́n fẹ́ mú ìfẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ló kéde máa dàpọ̀ singularly tí wọ́n kà sí fún àwọn ẹgbẹ́ náà tuntun mẹ́rin náà wọ́n gbé ní ẹ̀rọ sáà mọ̀ ṣọ́ this hospital ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ́ home tó ń pè each division of ẹ̀kọ́sí ilé ìlú náà ṣe ń di ẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ division wọ́n ti gbé lè lọ sí àdìmọ̀ṣọ́ ilé tó fún ọ̀gbọ́ ní kọ́ńtà pẹ̀lú ẹgbẹ́ láti gbọ́dọ̀ nígbà wọn ìpínlẹ̀ ọ̀fẹ́ sọ̀pọ̀tẹ́ ní ọ̀fẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ àwọn àgbẹ̀ kan wọ̀nyí àti láti gbọ́dọ̀ ó ní ẹ̀ má bọ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ tó tẹ̀lé náà ní ìsìnwájú ọ̀gbọ̀n ọ̀wọ́ láti sọ́kẹ̀ ṣe wípé lóòótẹ́ tí mi tẹ̀ tí kò sókè ìlú rẹ̀ àtọ̀ ọ̀pẹ̀ bá sọ fún ọ pé kò bá ilé wọn ọ̀ ní kò sí lẹ́nu so these are project tá a fẹ́ kó máa kí ìlú máa ní ìdàgbàsókè àwọn ìlú gbàgbọ́ pé lágbára ọlọ́run ìrìnlóbi oṣù cultural festival wà pipeline wa already. We are planning. There is a stream here like that of Ajagun festival. Àwọn náà ní wẹ̀lú afẹ́ modernize ẹ̀ ni. Ẹ̀sùn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọdún sọ́lẹ̀ pé wọ́n fún wa ní SSC wọ́n tẹ̀ máa fún akọ́lé ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ ìṣẹ́kọ́lé tètè tó rí ìrọ̀ ara náà fún wa. Whereas 5 days náà ní Badagry àwọn kí òṣùwọ̀n àṣẹ kó máa wá sí each division pé káwọn kí òṣùwọ̀n máa wá. Àtàtì tá a ní fún ti ọmọ wa tó ṣe kọmíṣánná ọlá bàbá ẹ̀ ní o 50-50 pàtàkì ọ̀dẹ́kọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ní council Badagry 50-50 ló kọ́ iṣẹ́ lọ́pọ̀ lọ́dítì ó ti gbàgbé tó ṣùgbọ́n ó bá dé local government láì kọ́ akọ́ṣẹ́ náà ní gbogbo ìṣiṣẹ́ yẹn 50-50 bàbá kọmíṣánná ló kọ́ níṣẹ́ oore tó bí àbọ̀dé mọ̀ tó fi mú akéwì ṣe tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ìfẹ́ inú àwọn ọ̀gá lọ́hùn tó bá mi wá advantage ni ọmọ wa position because àwọn ọ̀gá sílẹ̀ àgbẹ̀lẹ̀ kitchen cabinet tó tó máa decide ẹ̀kọ́ tó gba ẹ̀rọ náà gbá sí gbangba wọ́n ti decide ẹ̀ and ọjọ́ nìkan ló lè gbà wá pẹ̀ wọ́n bí wọ́n ṣe lọ yìí ẹ wo ẹ̀sàs tó kọjá lọ if not for the sake of pé ẹnu tí wàá ká àwọn èèyàn wa nílùú ọdún ṣẹlẹ̀ kó lọ́wọ́ ẹgbẹ́ kò ṣẹlẹ̀ Badagry because we know each other amọ̀rẹ́ wa ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ìrìn wọn ló máa discipline náà yẹn náà sọ fún gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì pé àtọ̀rọ̀ security ẹ̀ gbogbo wa ni security is it's not a woman's business. To move by some of us, the others, to go and see the honorable minister of works at Abuja. You will believe that those selected we gave the 3 local commissioners to fund their travel. Maybe tomorrow we fund it. Maybe tomorrow. That's the fact. I was one of the others selected to go to Abuja. That I was not there. The instructor from Accra was initially from the journey. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. That is why I said we have a lot of people working through. A lot of people. We must all come together as one. And as I used to tell the people, we should stop discriminating. Because if we don't stop discriminating, I think that's what you are angry. I like that idea. One of my final I've been sounding this for quite a long time. I think we should stop segregation, discriminating within us in Badagry. Imagine Badagry lady is that they now I can't understand the and we are talking of equal rights. What are we saying? We must all work as one. We must. You see, where there is equity, no justice. I just free ourselves. Ibùdó pọ̀ lọ́dún 2017 ṣe pé ìyàtọ̀ máa wà. Ìbùdó ìbàdàn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀dọ́ ọ̀dásánjẹ́ ọdún mọ̀ ọ́n sìn. And that is why àwọn máa bí sí wọn láti ní ṣe pé wọ́n ṣe ra lọ́kàn. Let's come together. Mo máa ń sọ fún àwọn ìṣàmì wa wọ̀nyí. Ẹ search mind ní search your mind. Ìṣe pé nǹkan dé. Ó jẹ́ pé o àmì ọ̀dà ẹjọ́ dé yọ ìrọsọ́tò bíi ìpínlẹ̀pájà tó wá ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ ṣe ju ẹjọ́ lọ́pẹ̀lẹ́ wà tó lè sọ fún ẹbí pé òun yẹn ò jẹ́ tiẹ̀ ó yẹ kó ní bẹ́ẹ̀ you must always put a rank air in the rank room nǹkan tó jẹ́ ayé kan àṣẹ. So that is why when I became the Oba, even when I was the chairman, I didn't have any security in my gate. And when I became the Oba, many will come outside there. You know, boys are my fight. You must be accommodating, accessible as an Oba. We have some Obas here, we go to their parents, they have to feel for. Why are you like that? You don't need to. If actually you are the Oba of that community, only that man will feel from that. Don't go back and you know what? I'm so kind of like I was in the baby and the shade. And we tell only selling the palace. Àwọn kan wọ̀nyí ó jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ tó kọ́ wa lọ́pàá àkọ́lóminú we shall continue to educate them. Yes, you. Thank you very much.